Hi, Coach Lou here. So, nandito ngayon sa the Dink Ticket. Before we proceed sa training, always remember guys, shoulder high, let it fly. Gitna, dink, dink. Warm up muna, go. Yeah. Sige. Bilis naman yung paa mo, ano, Amy, ha? Tournament ka na, eh. Dapat sinasanay mo na yung mabilis yung paa mo. Yan.
Kasi na ano mo, yung partner ko.
Hindi, tama naman yung palo mo, eh. Oh. Wag side. Okay. Mid-court kagad, mid-court. Okay. Drive mo, drive. Drive. Oh, double backhands. Drive. Yan, pang-warm drive. Ang galaw mo. Run.